Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to take a quick look at the new 4-in-1 ESC from Tmotor, the F55A Pro. In this video I'm going to go over its features and specifications, and soon I'm going to feature it in a build video. The F55A Pro comes in this very nice little plastic case. Maybe you can use it later for storing some screws. The top is semi-transparent so you can see the Tmotor logo, and on the back we can find the specifications. So first of all, it supports a continuous current of 55 ampere per ESC. It supports type of batteries between 3 to 6 cells. It is using BLE32 firmware and it supports up to D-Shot 1200. Over here we can find the dimensions, and we can also see that the burst current is 75 ampere per ESC, and it has also a BEC output of 5 volts at 2 amperes. Inside the box, we can find first of all the ESC, which I must tell you, even though it's not really important for ESC, you can see that this is a very beautiful design. On the bottom, we can find all the accessories. So first of all, we can find 12 AWG silicone wires with a very high quality XT60 connector. You also get in two 35 volts, 470 microfarad capacitors, two 10-pins connectors for connecting the ESC to the flight controller, so you are given one extra one, so this is pretty nice. And finally, we're also getting 4 yellow anti-vibration damping mounts. On the top of the ESC, we can find the heatsink, which has plenty of ventilation holes to keep the ESC cool. On the sides, we can find the pads for the motors. It features the classic Betaflight layout, so motor 1 is here, 2 is here, then 3 and then 4, and the pads for the motors are also available on the bottom of the ESC. Over here we can find the pads for the battery, which are pretty big, and on the bottom over here we can find the 10 pins connector for connecting the ESC to your flight controller. The two bottom pins are the ground, then we have another two VCC out, so you can use one for example to power the flight controller and another one to power your VTX. Then we can find signal 4, 3, 2 and 1. Then we have a current sensor and then the TX, so it supports ESC telemetry. The weight of the F55A is about 17.6 grams and its dimensions are about 45 by 41.1 by 7 millimeters, and the distance between the mounting holes is the standard 30 by 30 millimeters. Just like the other products from Tmotor, the F55A Pro comes with a premium price tag of $75, so this is definitely not a cheap ESC, and according to Tmotor, it is recommended to pair this ESC with the Pro motors, such as the F80 Pro, which I've recently reviewed. Actually, in the build video where I'm going to feature the F55A Pro, I'm going to use these budget-friendly motors from Tmotor, the LF40. So first I'm going to review these motors and test them on my bench test, and after that I'm going to feature both products on my build video. So this was just a quick overview of the F55A Pro. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions about the F55A Pro, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.